You've probably heard of Qonto. That sleek, modern banking app promising to revolutionize finances for small businesses. But here's the burning question: is it actually making money? Not just surviving, but thriving? Let's dive deep into the numbers, the strategies, and the challenges Qonto faces on its path to profitability. We've all been there dreaming of a business that not only changes the game but also fills our pockets. Qonto, with its promise of streamlined finances, certainly captured our attention. But beneath the shiny app and catchy slogans lies a complex financial story. Now, you might think, why should I care if Qonto is profitable? Well, a profitable Qonto means stability, innovation, and potentially even better services for you. But it's also a fascinating case study in the world of fintech, where growth often comes before green. So, let's break it down. Qonto's revenue model is primarily subscription-based. You pay a monthly fee for access to their platform, with additional charges for certain services. But is this enough to offset their costs? The big spenders? Technology, customer acquisition, and compliance. That's a hefty price tag. And then there's the competition. Traditional banks are beefing up their digital offerings, and other fintech startups are nipping at Qonto's heels. It's a cutthroat world out there. But Qonto isn't sitting idle. They've been expanding their service offerings, from invoicing to expense management. The goal? Increase customer stickiness and average revenue per user. It's a smart move, but will it be enough? We'll also explore Qonto's valuation. It's reached unicorn status, meaning it's valued at over $1 billion. Impressive, right? But remember, valuation isn't the same as profitability. It's based on future potential, not current earnings. So, where does Qonto stand? Is it on the brink of profitability, or is it still burning through cash? We'll crunch the numbers, analyze the trends, and give you our verdict. But remember, the world of finance is dynamic. What's true today might change tomorrow. So, stay tuned, because we'll be keeping a close eye on Qonto's journey. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.